Hello rollers, I'm Choppa, your roller coin buddy. Today we are talking about the bonus system. What is wrong with it, how we ended up with it, and how do we fix it? Let's go! The current bonus mechanic is, well, let's just say it's showing its age. Back when it was introduced, there were maybe 50 miners in the game. 10% was a big bonus back then. Cute, right? Now the tops are sitting at 5k% bonus. I'm at 2000% and I'm mid-tier. New players, they might as well be mining with a potato. It's not just unfair, it's boring. This bonus inflation makes the game less competitive and less rewarding for everyone. So the core issue is exponential growth. The more miners you stack, the more your bonus snowballs. It's creating a gap where top players are so far above us mere mortals that for a newcomer, there is really no chance to catch up. To be fair, the devs are not blind to this problem. Upcoming leagues may redistribute the competition, but they basically don't address the core problem. And no, I am not saying scrap the bonus entirely and start again. Why? Well, because we are not communists. If you bought a Hurricane bag with a 5% bonus, that's yours. So how do we fix this without alienating players? Here's what I've been brainstorming. There's an old idea floating around. Only the rarest miner in the collection contributes its bonus. For example, if you own a roller million in both rare and epic, only the epic gives the bonus. The idea is not mine, but it sounds good. But here's the catch. It will still hurt new players much more than whales. Top players already have rooms full of Unreal miners. They just swap out lower tiers and keep dominating. So not ideal. Next up, what if bonuses were calculated per room? Your first room has its own multiplier, your second one, another, and so on. Yes, the whales would still outpace everyone, but the numbers would not be so absurd. Instead, you will see something more manageable. Here's an example of how the bonus would look like with my room and with Chang's one. We can further twist the idea of isolating rooms and introduce bonus rooms. Only miners in that room contribute to your bonus. The rest is only providing power. This actually creates strategy. Do you load your bonus room with high percent miners or spread them out? Suddenly there's a meta to play with. Here's a more risky solution that I came up with. What if you could upgrade your bonus, but with a catch? Like sharpening a miner for a higher percentage, but risking it breaking. Or a cooling system where you pay to boost efficiency temporarily. I mean, yeah, that sounds like I'm inventing Battery 3.0, but having some new mechanics instead of a flat bonus may be exactly what we need. Then maybe Rollercoin could borrow a solution from mobile games, like you activate the bonus, have a heavy mining session, and then the bonus goes on cooldown. To make it more interesting to newer players, this cooldown can be based not on raw real-time, but on some in-game steps. But yeah, I wouldn't be extremely happy with such a change. Not with my 2k% bonus. What if every miner is capped at a certain level? For example, Uncommon would give 500%, Rare 750, and so on. This probably wouldn't solve the issue, but it will freeze the inflation, which is already not bad. The last idea for today. Let the players choose. Each miner gives either power or a bonus. You'd mix and match, sacrifice raw strength for a multiplier in some slots, or vice versa. This could breathe life into low-power miners with high bonuses. Suddenly, they're not just room filler. So, of course, making any changes to the bonus system will not be easy. Hey, I also don't want to lose what I already have. I paid for it. God damn it. The devs will need to come up with a way to preserve value for players who invested in the current bonus miners. All that while trying hard not to create new meta exploits. And yeah, as any other player, I love that big number dopamine hit. So this won't be easy. but I believe in our devs. Well, not too much of course, but we'll see. What do you think? Should bonuses be capped, redesigned, or is there another solution we're missing? As always, I read all your comments. And as always, hit that like button and subscribe. Okay, bye!